Alright guys, I'm about to show you guys an easy way how to solo guys with this Kompa groove. Watch what I do here, y'all. You guys get it. I'm about to break down everything I was just doing, guys. It's very simple. This is gouyad style soloing, guys. Watch what I do in this video. This is Roland Blazay. Stay tuned.
Something that's good for me.
All right, y'all. Listen, if you haven't already done so, go ahead and like and subscribe this video. We have a lot more in store, guys. You don't want to miss out. Also, go to KompaKeyboardSchool.com if you need sounds, if you need lessons, if you need beats. KompaKeyboardSchool.com. Let's get it pumping. So, guys, what are you hearing in the background? We're in the key of E flat. Mixture of white keys, black keys, you know what it is. So in E flat, this is your 1, E flat major, E flat, G, B. Then your 4 is this, A flat, C, E flat. And your 5 is this, B flat, D, F. So what is this groove? This is, so it's really E flat, then, all you're seeing is a bounce from the 5 to the 1. That's E flat, B flat, then E flat again. That's all it is. And it lands on what? An inverted version of A flat. So it's E flat, A flat. Then you hit the A flat again. A flat, then B flat. So it's E flat, A flat, then A flat again, then B flat. So A flat, you're staying on there twice as long. Now, what am I doing with the solo? What is the concept of the solo that I'm doing, guys? Watch my fingers. So this is what I do, guys. So this is the 7 of E flat. Because E flat is what? E flat, G, B flat. So I add this 7. I just add this 7, guys. So basically, what am I doing? I'm using these notes, but I remove the G. So all I'm left with is E flat, B flat, and D. But I move the E flat up here. So what do I have? B flat, D, and E flat for my E flat. Just 3 notes. The 5, 7, and 1 of my E flat major chord, which is B flat, D, and E flat. So that's why you hear. And it's a deuce sweet sound, guys. And what is this? This is the same exact thing on the chord of A flat major. I add the 7, which is G. I remove the 3rd note, which is C. And I move the 1st note up here. And there's different versions of this you can do using those notes, where you remove the 3, add the 7, and that's what you use to do your melodies. So we're gonna play the beat and try a different version of that. So this is a whole different version, guys. Watch this. So you guys see what I did? The same 7, 1, 5. Before it was 5, 1, 5, 7, 1. So I'm B flat, E flat, and B on my E flat major. So instead of, I did this. And then that's when I go to my A flat. Remember, we're only using these three notes. A flat, G, and E flat. And then I use this G right below it. Same notes. And then I just groove on my B flat. You can do anything on your B flat. So what I'm gonna do is let the beat ride so you guys can have more practice with this. Remember, go to KompaKeyboardSchool.com. This is Roland Blazay signing out. Hey guys, this is Roland Blazay. One thing I want to tell you that Kompa, you will learn Kompa, you will know how to play. And we've just released the official beginner's Kompa course. In the Kompa course, you will learn the key, how to find the key, what is the key, scales, chords, Kompa chord progressions, the number system. You will learn minor chord progressions, Kompa rhythm. In this Kompa course, how to choque, simple solo tips, you will know how to start your journey off playing Kompa. For $19.99, this Kompa course has just been released. Go to KompaKeyboardSchool.com. It will be the first link on the top of the page, and you will begin to know how to play Kompa in no time. Most of the key elements to Kompa keyboard playing is in this course. So guys, do not wait, do not hesitate. Get your Kompa course now and start playing Kompa right where you're at.
Something that's good for me.